Hi everyone, this is Evie with another acrylic pour, and I'm continuing with my series of sunset inspired pours. So this is going to be a dirty cup ribbon pour. So the first dirty cup will have in it blue, just a little bit of blue, okay, a little bit of blue. We'll add a little bit of this yellow, and we'll add a little bit of this light orange, this yellow orange. Okay, cool. My second cup will have in it a tiny bit of, actually it will have some blue, but not yet. First we'll put in some yellow, some orange, some darker orange, and some red orange. Put a lot of the red orange. Okay. Now my third cup will have in it, well, actually, I was going to put a little bit of blue in this one too. This is my second cup. I'm going to save some of the blue. Just put a tiny bit of blue. Okay, cool. My last cup will have some blue. It'll be like the first cup. A little bit of yellow. A little bit of orange. A little bit of the darker orange, and we'll end with some blue for this one. Okay, there we go, my 3 cups for my ribbon pours. Okay, so let's start off with, I'm going to put blue on the edges, and I don't have that much blue. Wonderful. I might have to mix some blue. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to get all my blue out. Come on, blue. You can do it. Okay, this is good. I'm getting a lot of coverage from the blue. Great. Okay, so we'll start with this cup. Oh no, I forget which is which. I think this is my third cup. We'll start with that one. Okay. There. Now this is my middle cup. Okay. And my last cup. Oh no, that's the first cup I've already poured. My last cup Okay, so now let's tilt. Tilt some more. Okay. Okay, so let us try some heat. See if we can get some cells. We got a few cells, not a lot. Let me tilt it a little this way to get the coverage at the corner. Okay. Interesting. I wish I could get more cells. I need to learn to get more cells. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe it's the brand of silicone I'm using. Or, I mean, if you have an idea of what I'm doing wrong, that I'm not getting cells, feel free to comment, because I am not sure, because I put silicone. Maybe I should add more silicone. Maybe that's what, because I just put a few drops in there. Maybe it needs more than a few drops. Maybe I don't know. But anyways, this is what I have for my sunset inspired ribbon pour, dirty cup ribbon pour. Okay, thanks for watching.